Hey Lisa, so here you can go ahead and do it. So when you're logged into Buzz as an admin, what you're going to do is hit the F1 key on your keyboard, kind of like top left, and then backspace, and then @ exclamation point. Now search A. Caldwell. This is going to work for her or him. I actually don't know. I should check the pronouns that you used in your video or in your email. But you can get to this teacher, click on it. You're going to go down to proxy. And there you are now in Aoma's Buzz. And you should see everything that you need to see for these file checks. This should work for probably a lot of teachers. Not every teacher, though. You're probably going to run into issues where it says you can't proxy for whatever reason. And if you need to, just let me know. It is kind of like a little back-end thing, but I know what to do. In the case that happens again, it just has to do with kind of like all kinds of Buzz affiliations that different teachers have. But hope that helps. F1, backspace, @ exclamation point, A. Caldwell, proxy. And I will put that in the email as well.